Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Silver and thank you for watching. Today this video is me unboxing my first SEPHORAPLAY subscription box. So if you don't know what SEPHORAPLAY is, it's very similar to Ipsy or Birchbox, which I used to have Birchbox for quite some time. And I just got really overwhelmed with all the samples and product that I had like a basket of all this stuff that I hadn't used before, and some of it was going bad and some of it I was just never gonna use. So it got overwhelming. So I canceled it years ago and now I have a subscription to SEPHORAPLAY. So what I think I will like better about this subscription box is that I shop at Sephora constantly. So these are products that I would potentially buy that are all gonna be at Sephora, and I don't have to go looking for them because Birchbox was, there was products from like all over. So what's nice about this is that there's gonna be hair, there's gonna be makeup, and maybe some tools even, brushes, I'm not sure, maybe a beauty blender. I'm really excited to open this box and see what I got. Yeah, if you want me to, I'll stick with you, we'll say. This is my first box and I hadn't gone online and filled out like my skin type. Unfortunately, someone bought this box for me, and so it's not connected to my actual Sephora account. Otherwise, they would already like have my skin type, I feel like. Ooh. So we open it and it says show off and share using hashtag SEPHORAPLAY. So what I'm thinking is that maybe I'll hashtag that in the video. I don't know. Oh, I totally forgot. So this SEPHORAPLAY account comes with 50 beauty insider points. So this little card here says that this card will give you 50 points. It says the pass expires at the end of this month. So you like, I don't get it. Oh, so if you purchase something, you can bring this card in and the points will be passed onto your account. I don't know. We'll look into that later because like I said, this isn't linked to my account, so I'm not sure if that 50 point card will work or not. Okay, so this came inside and it says Sephora Bingo on one side, and okay, I'm not trying to play Sephora Bingo, that kind of looks stupid. So it has this cute little like Ziploc bag, and let's see, the first thing I pull out is this fresh product called Sugar Advanced Therapy, and this is the Dream Sheer Pink Lip Treatment. So I don't think I've actually tried one of these, but I've definitely seen them. This is a cute little, so this little like, I guess this is a mini size maybe. Oh, this is very pink. It says a soft pink lip treatment that enhances volume and provides moisture. Enhances volume. It's gonna make my lips bigger. Apply to your lips throughout the day and before bed. So it's basically just a chapstick. It does scare me that it's so pink, but it does look pretty sheer. I just put it on. It smells good, it smells sweet. This is awesome. I'll probably put this like maybe next to my bed or something and use this before bed. I'm confused about the packaging though. Oh, it does twist on, but like one little twist at the bottom. It's kind of weird. So that is cute. It says this is a bestseller too, so that's cool. And the next thing I got is this Clinique Pep Start. This is an eye cream, which is awesome. So it says step in the bright direction. This lightweight eye cream that brightens and hydrates skin. Awesome. I don't think I've ever tried this either, so that's cool. I'm always looking for a new eye cream, which I actually ran out of the one I was using. This is a very, very small size though. I'm probably only gonna get like maybe 2 uses out of that. But that's cool. That'll give you a chance to see if you like it. Purchase that eye cream. It doesn't say the like full size prices on this little like insert though, so that's kind of annoying. Okay, what is this? Ooh, this is a Power Clay Mask. So this is Christophe Robin, and this is a cleansing, volumizing mask with pure Razul clay and rose extracts, lifted roots, fuller lengths. Oh, this is for your hair? Oh, I thought this was like a face mask, and I was like, oh, like cleansing, volumizing paste, a shampoo formulated with clay. This is a shampoo or a mask? What is this? A shampoo formulated with clay that transforms into a paste to an airy foam. Okay, locks in color, absorbs oil, helps create. Okay, so I guess this is a shampoo, but like when you feel this in here, it feels like very thick, and it feels just like a clay mask that I would put on my face. But it says it's a shampoo, and it is paste right now, but once you are in the shower, it turns into like a normal shampoo. This is definitely weird. If you've ever tried this, let me know. It says this is this month's bonus, and maybe that means that it's just kind of like a random thing that's either new or I don't know. So this is definitely interesting. I will try it, I guess, but I'm like a little scared. I almost applied it to my face. Okay, next product is, oh, it's a cleansing water. This is the Sephora collection brand, and this is a cute little cleansing water. This would be good for traveling, so that's nice. I've never tried that one, but it's a micellar water, so I'm sure it's just like all the other ones. Okay, we have a Makeup Forever, and this is a soothing primer. I think I have used this primer before, so this is the step 1. It's an equalizer primer, and it's for smoothing. So I think there are a couple different primers that they came out with, like in this line, and they do different things. So this is a smoothing one, but it says that it's like, it looks like it's like got a color to it. So is it like a BB cream, or it says this lightweight primer that evens out tone, smooths texture, and preps skin for makeup. So I'll try that next time I do my makeup. That sounds interesting. This next product is a mascara by Urban Decay. It's the Pervision Volumizing Mascara. I actually love sample mascaras because I think they work better. I think that maybe it's the amount of product in the in here that doesn't go bad right away, but like every time I get a full-size mascara I end up hating it, but I always love the minis. So this is a big brush. It looks like it's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to try this. One thing I do wish that they had the full-size price on this little insert that's telling me about all these products, because these are all obviously very small samples, and it's like, how much do I get in the full size and how much is it? But this does not say that, so that's kind of annoying. So that was all my products. How many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 6 things. I got 50 bonus points, and I'm not sure if I even get to use those or how to really use those, but I will look into it, and I got quite a few little goodies here that I'm excited to test out, try, show on my channel. So yeah, those were my samples. I thought they were really good. The hair mask is probably like my least favorite thing I got. I'm just not a huge fan of getting hair samples, I guess, because I'm a hairdresser, so I've like used so many different products that I like know what I like, and it would be nice to find new stuff that I love, but sometimes I'm just like, I don't want to try it. I already know what I like. I already know what works for me. But this is different. I've never tried anything that is like this. I almost want to like use it right now, but I don't need to wash my hair. But it's like a thick clay. So it's like, what? I put this in my hands and I start rubbing it together, and with water it just turns into shampoo. I don't know. If you guys want to see what I got every month in my play box, I will absolutely upload a video every month and just kind of unbox everything and show you what I got. If you guys think that's boring, then let me know, because I kind of think 6 products is just like kind of a boring video. But if you guys are interested in getting a play box, then you can see what to expect and what kind of products you're getting and the size, because some of these subscription boxes you get pretty decent sized products, and it's not just a sample, but it's more of like the travel size or the smaller version, and that would be nice. But these products were all like pretty small, so they're definitely samples. So if you do want to see that, then let me know. If you don't, this can be the only video we do on the SEPHORAPLAY subscription. But please leave your suggestions down below. I love like reading your comments, no matter what they are. If you just want to like give me a shout out, or if you want to tell me what you got, if you want to tell me what you thought about your Play subscription, let me know. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked, and subscribe to my channel so you can see everything that I'm uploading, whether that's my makeup tutorials, my shopping hauls, or now possibly my Play subscription unboxings. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Do you guys like tropical smoothie? I love it, and this smoothie is, it's like orange ginger glow, and then I got a shot of B12 in it. It's pretty good. I will say their food is amazing, but today I usually get a wrap, and I got a bowl instead of a wrap, and the bowl is not as good as the wrap. The bowl is like basically a salad. If it had like more rice and beans, I think it would be better, but it was basically just a lot of lettuce. So don't get the bowl, it's a salad. I need to learn how to read.